Hello, everyone. This is Neeraj here. Can't believe we are actually done with the first half of the year. The June is actually already gone. It seems like we've just been just flying through this year. It's amazing. But anyways, I'm back here with the monthly stats for the month of June in Toronto Real Estate Board. So without any further ado, let me start sharing the screen with you and share some amazing numbers. Looking at the market today, there's a continuous, the market is consistently being very, very busy. Let's look at the GTA market as a overall. So average prices are like up by 20.7%, which is like at 1,075,000. Number of sales are actually 95% up year to date as compared to last year. So the demand, strong demand is actually reflecting all that numbers we're keeping up. Even during pandemic, whatever happened. Average days on market is 13 days, which is down by 31.6% year to date. If you look at the all home types we are talking about, the condo average price is like 683,000. That is like almost year to date is like 2,800 condo sales been done, which is 56.2% up. And part reason is because of the house prices are like this going through the roof. So condo seems to be a more affordable product for the first time home buyers and people those who definitely want to live in urban areas of the town and with more facilities and with smaller families. Definitely this is a reflection of that. So I think this is where the numbers are reflecting to us that and condos are still a great option for the first time home buyer, especially with the smaller families to get into that and start living in a more urban areas. Months of inventory is just over a 1 month inventory overall in GTA, all property types we're talking about it. Now I'm gonna go back to the Toronto specific. At Toronto, the average price is over 1,051,000, which is 8.5% up year to date. Number of sales 24,161, which is also 98.7. Mind you, last year this time we kind of start lag behind because of the COVID situation. That's why you see this number as being humongous. Average days on market is actually reduced. Last year, like 15 days in market, and 15 days in the market today, which is 11.8% up as compared to last year in June 2020. Condo price of 717,000, which is up by 6.7%. So it's catching up very, very quickly as well. If you remember the previous year, when we started, the condo prices were not as higher in Toronto as compared to the outsides in Mississauga and Vaughan area. But now we can see the prices start climbing up like over 5 to 6% average, which normally should be there. We're actually 6.7% up, which is a great news. Condo sales are also up 47.7% of almost 1.33 months of inventory, which is less than, I will say, around about like 5 weeks or so. If no more properties come in the market, there'll be no more inventory. There will be no more homes to sell. So that's what it means when it says the months of inventory. Mississauga being a very again strong market. Sorry, excuse me. 1,019,300 is an average price for all property types in Mississauga, which is 19.6% up. Number of sales 6,415, which is also up. 12 days in the market. Average property takes to, which is 29.4% lesser as compared to last year. And then when it comes to a condos are selling at an average $582,000 for a condo price, and 290 condos were sold, which is 66.7% price increase as compared to last year, and less than 1 month of inventory. So, which means again, very, very strong sellers market. Continue to be a busy. Brampton, again, 1,007,000 average. I mean, there is a huge jump in the pricing if you compare last couple of years in Brampton market. Brampton is, as you can tell, no, is not behind, like tagging right there at Mississauga, just over 1,007,000. Number of sales is also up 9 days. The property is selling like a hotcake still there, which is 35.7% lesser as compared to last year. The properties are selling very quickly in the Brampton market as well. And it's not like April, March, and April, but however, still 9 days. It's a very um, quick sale. Average condo price is 515,000, which is 54 units were sold, 74.2% up the average. The percentage why the condo sales are up as well. Just over a half a month of inventory, which means people are still definitely going right very hard in the Brampton market as well. Oakville 1.466, the average price market is taking a super jump, I think, on if you look at the Oakville prices previously, 26.7% price appreciation as compared to last year. 12 days it takes a property to sell, which is 47.8% lesser as compared to last year. Very strong market as well. Condos are selling at 710,000 average price, which is again 26.8% up. Unit sold 53, which is 55.9% up. The unit sales wise, just under 1 month of inventory, just like Mississauga as well. Oakville is a very strong. So when it comes to the York region, now we're talking a little bigger region. York region always be have seen a big up and down in last couple of years. Average sales price been observed 1.25, which is 21.8% up. 12,850 units which sold, which is again a lot. It's 118% increase as compared to June 2020. 14 days it takes to property to sell, which is down by 36.4%. Condo prices in the York region is $641,000, which is again up by 12% and condo sales are 338 units were sold, which is again 151%, sorry, 156% increase in the percentage unit sold. So just over 1 month of inventory, like less than 5 weeks, I would say, in the York region. Another Durham region selling, tagging along right, uh, try to catching up with Brampton. I guess the Brampton market and Durham is like kind of playing the catch up game. Average sales prices go to over $900,000 in the Durham region as a whole, which is 36.7% up. Still affordable. Lot of first time home buyers and the people those who are upgrading. That's why we can tell they're moving towards the Durham region. One of the reason is because of the affordability. Still a close proximity to the downtown. People can take even. Go train is available all the way up to Oshawa. People are even from Bowmanville and Clarington are moving. If they're going over there, they can still catch up a GO train to get to the downtown Toronto with this one train. Number of unit sales 8,866, which is 73% up. 9 days it's taking to sell the property, which is down by 50% as compared to last year. Condos are selling 522,000, which is 18.8% up. Condo sales are also up by 64, which is 8.5%, which means, see, you can tell condos are eight. The unit sales is actually on a freehold is higher in Durham region as compared to the condo. Um, exactly half a month of inventory. That's another strong market, as you can tell. We have seen in the Brampton market as well. Treb overall, if you watch it from last 2016, like 5 year, as a 6 year, the data is showing you that's a number of sales in the month of June. And what happens is, if you look at that, 11,000 and over 11,100 sales was done in Treb, the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board. Previously, it was done in 2016, and after that, from 17, 18, 19, 20 was less than like eight, never touched less than 9,000 units were sold. Active listings 11,297, which means whatever's coming, other units are it's still getting consumed very quickly into it. Average sales price has gone up like at a million 90 as a million and 89,000. That's an average price. Just over 1.02 month of inventory in the Treb. This is what been observed in here, and this is all time my favorite. um come back with my favorite chart. Just kind of visual how the trend line looks, how the trends are looking in the terms of the pricing. Going back in March, April, right here, we are, going obviously very soon it'll be out of the chart. Uh, So March and April 2017, if you're looking at trend, it is consistently going up a very, very consistent basis. Yes, there is a peaks and valleys in between. We can see that, but in a May, we observed over in a 1.1 million. The price was observed. Now it come down a little bit, and I think it's because of the couple of things as we spoke about in the beginning of June. We saw the stress test was just increased from a 4.79 to 5.25. This is where actually looks like there's an impact of there. We're able to see that. However, I just wanted to make another video. I'm going to send it tonight as well. Regarding the CMHC has made some major changes yesterday, which is June 6th. They make some, July 6th. They announced some major changes in there, which will further impact the value of the in the market trend's going to change. I think it's going to create a upward pull towards it. But anyways, with this, I am done for the stats for the month of June. I wish you guys a happy summer. Enjoy, stay safe. I hope you guys are all getting vaccinated and taking care of your families as well. I am actually fully vaccinated right now. But anyways, I wish you guys all the best of luck and have a happy summer. I look forward to connecting with you again with new numbers for July, but I will meet you in August. Till that, have a great one. We'll talk soon. Bye bye.